Democrats are condemning the arrest of Wisconsin Judge Hannah Dugan, warning it could threaten the rule of law. This comes after the same senators argued no one is above the law in President Donald Trump's cases. Senator Amy Klobuchar of Minnesota posted on X that the situation was not normal. The FBI arrested Judge Dugan on obstruction charges for allegedly shielding an indicted Mexican migrant from ICE agents. Klobuchar had called Trump's 2019 impeachment case a somber day for our country. In America, no one is above the law, and the American people deserve to hear evidence and witness testimony during a full and fair trial in the Senate. If the president has any facts to present in his defense to the articles of impeachment, we should hear them, she said. After the 2022 FBI raid on Mar-a-Lago, Klobuchar said, "The law is king, and the former president isn't." Senator Tina Smith, Democrat from Minnesota, also condemned Dugan's arrest, saying, "If FBI Director Kash Patel and Donald Trump don't like a judge, they think they can arrest them. This is stunning. We must stand up to this blatant power grab. Republicans, how is this not a red line for you?" she added. Smith said she took her constitutional oath seriously when asked about her vote to remove Trump from office over abuse of power allegations. To condone corrupt behavior such as this undermines the core value that we stand for as a nation, that no one is above the law, including and most especially our president, she said. Reverend Gwen Moore, who represents Dugans County, lambasted the White House, saying its willingness to weaponize federal law enforcement is shocking, and this arrest has all the hallmarks of overreach. "I will be following this case closely and facts will come out. However, I am very alarmed at the increasingly lawless actions of the Trump administration, and in particular ICE, who have been defying courts and acting with disregard for the Constitution," she said. Representative Ro Khanna, Democrat from California, commented on an apparently deleted tweet from Patel, writing on X, "Donald Trump and J.D. Vance are arresting judges now. Deleting the tweet won't undo the constitutional crisis you have just thrust us into." Khanna in 2023 said of the Trump impeachment, "You can't just say, okay, because someone was president or someone is a candidate, that you're above the law. Everyone is under the law, and that allegations, the evidence, needs to be pursued." When asked for his current position, Khanna spoke of the contrast that Trump has waged war on the judiciary and that there is no public evidence yet regarding Dugan, but it is deeply concerning given the administration's attacks on the courts. Even Chief Justice Roberts has rebuked Trump's conduct toward the judiciary, he added. Representative Mark Pocan, Democrat from Wisconsin, said norms were being violated on the immigration and legal fronts for Dugan's arrest. In a December 2019 statement after his vote in favor of impeachment, Pocan said Trump was never held accountable for his actions over his 70-plus years of life. Today, Democrats sent a clear signal to this president and all future presidents. "No one is above the law," he added.